Hey everyone, this month the Cosmos is putting on an absolutely spectacular show. And guess what? You've got a front row seat. And the best part? It's totally free. So come on, let's look up and see what's in store.
But before we dive in, let me ask you something. Seriously, when was the last time you just stopped what you were doing, went outside, and looked up? Not because you were looking for something specific, but just to look, to see what was up there.
Well, hey, if it's been a while, you are in luck. This is the perfect month to change that. It's like the universe has handed you this amazing front row seat to some incredible cosmic events. And yep, no ticket required. All right, so first up, our show kicks off with a planetary parade. Think of it like a celestial dance happening right above our heads. So here's the program, the playbill, for this month's sky. We've got a little planetary meetup, a brilliant shower of stars, and even a chance to spot a super distant world. Let's break down what you should be looking for. So, kicking things off, the Celestial Parade actually began on November 12th. We had this really cool early evening treat where Mars and Mercury looked like they were right next to each other in the sky. It was amazing. You know, when planets look like they're meeting up like that, that's what astronomers call a conjunction. Now, just to be clear, the planets aren't actually getting close to each other. No collisions here. They're still millions and millions of miles apart. A conjunction is basically just a cool trick of perspective, a line of sight thing from where we are, right here on Earth. It just makes them look like they're cozy celestial neighbors for a little while. Okay, so next up, you're gonna wanna mark your calendars for November 21st. This one is a real challenge for you dedicated stargazers. The planet Uranus is going to be at what's called opposition. So what does that mean? It just means Earth is lined up perfectly between Uranus and the sun. And that alignment, it floods Uranus with sunlight, making it the brightest it's going to be all year. It's your absolute best chance to spot that faint, pale blue-green dot. But you're going to need a really dark sky for this one and maybe even a pair of binoculars.
All right, but now let's get to the main event, the headliner of November's Sky Show, a truly spectacular shower of stars.
Okay, look at this. 10 to 15. Any guesses what that could be?
Yep, you got it. That's how many meteors or, shooting stars you could see per hour during the peak of the Leonid meteor shower. The absolute best time to watch is going to be the night of November 16th, going right into the early morning of the 17th. And get this, these aren't just random falling stars. They're actually tiny bits of cosmic dust left behind a comet, the Tempel-Tuttle comet, and they're burning up as they hit our atmosphere. It's just a brilliant reminder of how incredibly active our night sky really is. And you know what the best part is? You don't need any special equipment. Seriously, just find a dark spot, get away from those city lights, give your eyes about 20 or 30 minutes to adjust to the dark, then just lie back, look up, and be patient. I promise, the show will come to you.
So, okay, we've got planets meeting up, stars falling from the sky. It's all beautiful for sure. But why does any of this actually matter? What's the big takeaway here?
Well, this quote really gets to the heart of it, I think. Stargazing is one of the most accessible, democratic sciences out there. It taps right into that fundamental curiosity we all have. You don't need a fancy lab coat or a PhD. All you need are your own two eyes and that little bit of wonder about what's up there. And you know what? It's a shared human experience. It doesn't matter if you're in a huge, bustling city or a small town like Durgapur. Looking up at the night sky connects every single one of us. When you look up, you are sharing that exact same view with billions of other people all across the planet. I mean, that is a pretty profound connection, right? To each other and to the whole universe. So as night starts to fall, I'm just going to leave you with this one thought. The universe is putting on a show, and you've got a ticket. The only question left is, what will you discover tonight?